What is the difference between taking a chemical versus an organic vitamin product? Because there has to be a difference.
Yes, let's see. What happens is that, for example, for the amount of vitamin C, fruits, you have to eat a very large amount because the percentage is very not that high. Many times the chemical way is you take a pill to obtain 1 g of vitamin C. But to obtain 1 g of vitamin C from fruit, you have to have a large amount of juice that you have to drink freshly squeezed. Let's put it this way. But it's the same from there, but there is no. It's just that here we want that medicine to be only one source because there are a variety of foods that you can consume. It's not that you have to eat 3 dishes, it's not, but that there are different ones. And now that my wife studied nutrition, you have to know how to distribute your healthy dish. Well, likewise, all of us have to know how to distribute our food because if we are not going to have a deficit, we have to make up a little because the amount of food I'm ingesting is not reaching the maximum I need, or my body does not produce, for example, the same amount of collagen when I was young and I already feel discomfort. Yes, okay. You can supplement, but it doesn't mean I'm only going to supplement. Also, everything is through nutrition that you have, and nutrition helps you cover those deficits. But to know if you are in deficits or not, you have to be an exam. You have to evaluate a doctor to tell you, yes, you have this deficit and you need, and generally now what is done is that these are linked to an organic matter. For example, it no longer says, no, I have calcium carbonate or I take calcium but not in chemical form. There is already calcium gluconate, which is friendlier and more bioavailable. In other words, my body receives it better, and what I consume, the amount I consume is this product. My body, let's put it this way, assimilates it, but if I buy the other one, it will only be 30, so send me 40 pills. Can I have any inconvenience in my health part? So are we already seeing more towards that trend that needs to be supplemented? Yes, because at our age we already have a deficit, but we have to know what deficit we have.